Let us paint hens together with an easy trick by using watercolor. There is no need for any initial sketching in this painting. We will be using the loose painting technique. To paint a hen, start by forming its body in shape of letter D. I'm using the pigment burnt umber. Now make a small projection near the head of the hen as in the video. Also make a small projection for the thighs of the hen. When the body part of the hen is still wet, add tails using indigo pigment. I'm using the same indigo pigment to paint near the head and the belly of the hen. Now I make a small projection for the head of the hen. Now I'm using burnt umber to paint the body part of the hen, and then I sprinkle some table salt on that wet area. Using burnt umber, I add beak of the hen. Then using vermilion hue, I add comb and wattles of the hen. Using burnt umber, I paint the shank and claws of the hen. For the second hen, we will be painting at a different angle when compared to the first one. The D shape for the second hen is slightly tilted towards the right side, whereas for the first hen, the D shape is more inclined to the right side. After making the D shape, I make a small projection near the head and a small projection near the thighs of the hen. By mixing indigo with vermilion hue, I paint the tails of the hen. I make a small projection for the head of the hen. Using burnt umber, I paint the beak, shank, and claws of the hen. Using vermilion hue, I paint the comb and wattles of the hen. When the body part is still wet, sprinkle some salt over it to create an interesting texture. While painting the third hen, just note down the angle of the D shape that is given in the video. After painting the D shape, I'm adding a head and a projection at the top, and using indigo I add some tail to the hen. Using indigo pigment I add thighs of the hen, which is then followed by painting the shank of the hen using burnt umber. I use the same burnt umber to paint the beak and vermilion hue to paint the comb and wattles of the hen. When the body part of the third hen is still wet, I am sprinkling some salt over it. Next, we have to add shadows for these hens using indigo pigment. While painting the shadows, always move from dark value to light value. I thought to add cheeks to this painting, so I gave some random stroke using light value of burnt umber. Using light value of permanent orange, I add beak and foot of the chicks. Also, I added shadows for these chicks. We reached to the end of this painting process. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. Until then, take care and bye bye from Prema.